In the heart of the Californian desert, a unique landscape unfolds, a place where art and nature merge under the vast sky of Borrego Springs. This hidden gem is home to over 130 monumental metal sculptures, each with a story to tell, each a gateway to another time. The dream was Dennis Avery's, a visionary who saw beyond the arid land, envisioning an open-air museum, free for all, where the desert serves as a canvas for colossal art. To realize this vision, Avery teamed up with Ricardo Breceda, a sculptor, whose hands shaped metal into beings of a forgotten world. Together, they populated the desert with creations that defy time. From prehistoric dinosaurs to mythical serpents, these sculptures invite us into a world where imagination roams free. Each piece, masterfully crafted by Breceda, stands as a testament to the fusion of art and the elemental force of nature. These sculptures do more than adorn the landscape. They transform it. They invite curiosity, inspire awe, and become a backdrop to countless stories and moments of wonder. As the sun travels across the sky, the shadows dance and the sculptures come to life. Each day, each season offers a new way to see, to explore, and to understand this timeless gallery. In Borrego Springs, the desert whispers tales of the past, present, and future through the silent voices of its guardians. This is an invitation to witness, to explore, and to dream along with them. Our interactive website offers an immersive virtual tour, allowing you to explore the locations of these remarkable works of art from the comfort of your digital device. But why settle for a digital adventure when you can embark on an enriching, hands-on exploration? Visit our online store and get a one-of-a-kind guide leading you on a treasure hunt through the area, providing fascinating insights about each sculpture as you discover them firsthand. We have posted the links to the store below